this episode, I'm going to explain to you about a vegetable that is very, very much misunderstood, and that is rice. Now, but most people who eat rice, they seem to prefer the white rice. Now, the white rice is one of the worst foods you can eat, especially if you've got diabetes, because it is a simple sugar, it breaks down very fast, and it dumps the sugar into your pancreas, and the pancreas can't cope with it. Often a big problem with diabetes is that people eating rice, white rice, once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, and diabetes gets worse. I did a case in Singapore and a case in Malaysia. 30 years diabetics at about 18 or 20 level, very high level diabetic, and he'd been at his doctor for 20 odd years, same doctor, could not be fixed. And when I started doing his eyes and working things out, he was eating white rice 3 times a day. I got him off the white rice completely. I introduced it to this particular rice here and a couple of others. And within 6 weeks, his diabetes went from 20 to 5.5. Fantastic result, right? So this one, I really like this one. This is the brown basmati rice. And it's the actual producer is from Waitrose, Dutchy Organic. I really like it because it's a very high quality brown rice, and you can eat that on its own, on this sort of rice. You can mix it with other rices. This is a very high level carbohydrate, but but the sugar level breaks down slowly. Not like if with a normal white rice, your sugar level goes like that, bang. With this one, the sugar level goes like that, and it works like that all the way through. So it's pumping sugar at the right level and not spiked. Every hour on the hour you get this up, and that gives you energy for 6 to 8 hours. Now, how you cook that, you use about a cup of that per person, and you mix it with sel de garon and water, and you cook it for about maybe 25-30 minutes. And then you can add other things like mince, like chicken, like fish, and herbs, and it becomes a dish in itself. You can also make that as part of the salad. Now, it's a great product if you've got diabetes to replace your chips and to replace your white rice. Now, why should you listen? I've got the experience of 35 to 40 years plus, and I've always used this type of carbohydrate for people who've got diabetes. And it does work. Whether you've got diabetes type 1 or type 2, after 6 or 7 weeks of eating this on a regular basis, you will find your diabetes will become under control. Now, if you found this video useful, please share the link with others, subscribe to our channel, and on the right of the word subscribe, you'll see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all, so that you'll receive notification each time we publish a new video, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Remember to download our ebook. The link is in the comments below.